Gonna come with it, that's okay.
Got Bill the tractor man here helping. We're gonna pull this assembly off, and then we'll have to pull the head off to find our culprit. Dun dun dun. Whoa, whoa!
If you have them in order, you can go back to right where they are, and then you know approximately
Sure.
where to look to see if there's problems down the line.
All right, so now we know those two belong with those two.
Yep.
Oh, Luke. Yeah, I went in and took my real name off my channel. Videotaping that.
Yep.
Send it to OSHA later.
Yes.
The safety man.
All right, Bill, pull.
Teamwork makes dream work, boys.
That jerked me off.
Here she comes.
Okay.
Okay, well,
Okay.
let's go out and see if we have room.
We're gonna tilt it, and then
Pull the manifold off. Put a bolt back.
Someone left a bolt in.
okay. So it's gonna be easier if we pass this